Welcome back. Let's explore another tremendous option inside the virtualization world. When I right click on this virtual machine, I find the snapshot option. This option have a number of benefits, and the most common benefit related to the virtualization world that this option will revert your virtual machine into its previous state. Let's say if I'm going to install number of updates on my this newly created virtual machine and updates get failed. Now I'm going to uninstall the failed updates, operating system get failed again in the phase of uninstalling the updates. Now I'm going to remove them from the registry and doing number of other things, but things going messed up with each other, and now I'm stuck with this faulty operating system. So in that scenario, this is snapshot option perform the revert option for this virtualization industry, and within few minutes or within few seconds we will revert this virtual machine into its previous state. Let's say I'm going to take the example, I'm going to rename this virtual machine, but before going to rename, I'm going to take the snapshot of this virtual machine. For a snapshot, I just click on the snapshot button and click on the tag snapshot. Now it's asking me about the name. You need to put the identical name here. For the demo purpose, I'm going with the same name and take the snapshot. Now I can verify my this snapshot option here. Now you can see that snapshot 1 is created at this time, and now I'm going to rename my this virtual machine and then revert it again within a few seconds. I'm just getting this as an example, but you can perform in numerous areas. I'm just going to change its name like system 1. Okay, now going to close, restart now, and as this machine come back, its name will be completely changed. Now virtual machine is restarted, and I just need to verify its new name by right clicking the properties option, and here you can see that. So if I want to revert this change, or if I want to revert the operating system updates, or if I want to revert any failed installation, it might be Microsoft Office installation, Microsoft SQL, or anything else. If anything happens to my operating system, let's say my registry got crashed or my operating system showing that number of files are missing, so in all that scenarios I just need to click on the revert snapshot option, and my operating system will be get back to its previous healthy state. So now here you can see I have a snapshot option. Again, I just click on the revert to snapshot 1 option, and I also use the snapshot manager option. So I just click to the revert to snapshot, and then now I just click on the yes button, and within here you can see that my virtual machine restarted automatically, because the revert option which we implemented by using the snapshot option. So let's take a few seconds as this machine restarted. Here you can see that now if I want to verify this virtual machine name, so it will be reverted to its previous. Here you can see that. So by using the snapshot option, you can save your time from troubleshooting, you can save your time in the production environment, and get back to the healthy operating system within few clicks.